Our staff veterinarian came in on Monday morning from the busy weekend and did her normal walkthrough that she does every Monday morning. She became concerned because she's seen a lot more upper respiratory infection than what we normally see. So she came and we talked about it. Initially, we thought it was just the upper respiratory infection that we see in the shelter. So we began a treatment plan. There was about 50 dogs that first day that were impacted. So we began a treatment plan for those dogs, and through foster homes and through what we have available here for isolation, we began that process for those. And Tuesday came around, and we had another 30-something dogs that we noticed that had been impacted and had broken overnight. So we did become a little bit more concerned, but again, at that point, we still thought we were dealing with our possible just normal upper respiratory infection. Then yesterday, we had another 40 dogs that started showing symptoms, and so we knew that we had a major concern on our hands, and we really needed to do something about it. So we have about 130 dogs that have been impacted so far at this point. We have had 4 dogs that have died from it, and then a couple more that we've had to euthanize due to the severity of how sick that they were from it. So we made the difficult decision to close, and the point of closing is to try and keep it from getting out in the community, and to try and make sure that we can do the best we can for the dogs that are here in the shelter. And so we began a treatment plan for every dog in the building, whether they're showing symptoms or not. They have started treatment today, and we're going to continue that through the next, it's about a 10-day treatment plan for them, 10 to 14 days for these dogs. We've sent samples off for testing just so we can try to determine exactly what we're dealing with. Once we get those test results back, we'll begin to have a better idea of if we need to do something more differently with the way that the treatment is going. If we need to close longer. Right now we're saying we're going to be closed for a week, but we are anticipating that could be at least 2 weeks once we figure out what it is that we're dealing with.